Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can install the Firefox browser on Realme 9 Pro Plus. So to do this you will need to open your Google Play Store and inside find Firefox. Select it from the list, it's this one right here, and install it. When it's ready, you can open and customize your browser with different theme, picking your toolbar placement, signing in to turn on synchronization. Also, you can switch between privacy settings, and here's a privacy notice which you can read. And finally, click on Start Browsing, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.